welcome to our channel Be Fit with Arvind. So today I'm gonna show you what is my workout routine. So I will just walk you through what is my workout, and I will show you what was my routine is all about. So let's get started.
Get your hands up. 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 Get your hands. Get your hands. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We go. We go. Here we go. Go. We go. We go. Here we go. We go. Go. Hands up. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. Here we go. Here we go. Hands up. Here we go. Go. Get your hands up. Here we go. We go. Get your hands up.
This is my gym, guys. Today is my back and shoulders workout. First I'll start with the warm-ups. So the warm-ups, once I done with the warm-ups, then I'll do body weight pull-ups, and then I will start with my today's workout. In back and shoulders, I basically train all the major muscle group. So I have total 5 exercises. One is a lat pull downs, and the second one is shoulder press, and the third one is bent over barbell rows, and the fourth one is inclined dumbbell press, and the fifth one is lateral rises with a dumbbell. So I follow a method called progressive overload. So every workout session you increase the volume. So you can increase the volume by either doing a more reps or more sets, or increasing the weights.
If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through.
I'm done with today's workout, guys.
Amazing workout today, guys, and this is what my workout routine. So basically I have 3 workouts per week. The first workout is chest and biceps, and the second workout is for the legs. Third workout is back and shoulders. So this is what my progress so far. I can see my triceps and my shoulders are pumping up, and yeah, so far I'm really happy with my progress, guys. It's all about being consistent and hit every single day your goals. That's all matters.
That's my steps, guys. I have to complete still 3,500 for today. Okay, guys, I am almost reaching home. Now looks like I want to take a bath, but let's first cook the chicken. I'm back home, guys. I'm back, guys. I just washed my hand and my face. I had a great workout. Now I'll have a post-workout shake, and then I'll prepare my post-workout meal, guys. So let's see my post-workout meal. This workout is a protein shake. So I'll have 1.5 scoop whey, which is approximately 35 grams of protein. Right now I'm consuming 1.5 grams or 1.5 grams to 2 grams of my body weight protein. So currently I'm somewhere around 83.5 to 84. So I'm consuming 120 to 160. So that's my protein shake, guys. So I only take a protein if I'm not getting enough protein from my food. So especially on my strength training day, I must and should hit 1.5 to 2. Otherwise, on a normal days or rest days, I take 1 to 1.5 grams. Mostly I'll get it from food, and maybe 1 scoop of whey I take.
Let's see my post-workout meal, guys. So actually I eat 250 to 300 grams of tawa fried chicken. So basically I marinate and keep it, and I use whenever I want it. And then 2 wheat paratha, and then 150 grams of curd, and then some veggies. So that's my post-workout meal, guys.
So that's my post-workout meal. This vlog, guys. So if you're new to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be notified when I post my new video. So that's all for today's vlog. So I will be back with one more new vlog, guys. Till then, be fit, be healthy. Bye bye, guys.